Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Safe haven gold reversed course to go down after US President Donald Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping agreed to further talks to settle trade disputes, while silver breached the key $35 level to reach a 13-year high. Wall Street edged higher and crude prices advanced as investors weighed new trade talks between US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping against a spate of downbeat economic data ahead of Friday's crucial jobs report. Stablecoin issuer Circle's shares more than tripled in their debut on the NYSE, firing up the IPO market that has struggled to regain momentum. The New York-based company's stock opened for trading at $69 apiece, valuing the stablecoin issuer at nearly $18 billion. The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.